Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is April the 6th, 2018, and I have my stastic plants here. And no, I did not get to transplant them yet. They should have been transplanted long before this. So they're probably just going to go out then in their containers after they're hardened off. But I wanted to give you an updated video on how they're doing here. They're doing very well. They haven't started blooming for me yet. They probably need a little bit cooler temperatures to start blooming. So, I can't really do too much about that indoors. So they're going to kind of have to wait until they go outside. So I just wanted to give you a quick update on them, on how they're doing. We're still feeding them. We still check them for water. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. That'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.